In this video, we'll show you how to install Cisco VPN client on Windows 10. First step, just download and install sonicwall Global VPN client. Without any configuration, this link will be in the description section of the video. The second step is to install Cisco VPN client. Then go to registry editor like this, regedit, enter. Yes. A registry editor, navigate to each key local machine, then System, CurrentControlSet, Services, and then to CVirtA. You will see DisplayName. Double click on DisplayName. You will find Cisco System VPN adapter for 64-bit Windows and these letters after these words. So delete these letters and just use these words and click OK. Then go to VPN client and click on connect, type the username and password and click OK. As you see, it's connected. Thank you for watching.